Hello YouTube. Dentists disapprove, why coffee and mulled wine spoil our teeth and how to deal with it. With the arrival of autumn, cooling and rains, we have a tendency to frequent consumption of warm sweet drinks. For many, the favorite flavors of autumn are coffee with cinnamon and mulled wine. On a cold and rainy autumn day, you really want to warm yourself with a cup of hot sweet coffee, and in the evening, wrapped in a blanket, drink some fragrant mulled wine to your favorite TV series. However, an expert in cosmetic dentistry said that these popular drinks can harm your teeth. Everyone needs a warm, sweet tonic from time to time, but overdoing it can lead to cavities and bad breath. It's no secret that sugar isn't very friendly to your teeth, and seasonal drinks like flavored coffee and mulled wine contain far more sugar than regular coffee and wine. You should always be mindful of your sugar intake, as sugar can lead to oral problems such as cavities and gum disease, caries and bad breath. Sipping sugary drinks for an extended period of time, in fact, causes your teeth to be exposed to sugar for longer. This means the bad bacteria in your mouth have more time to turn the sugar into plaque, leading to cavities. Your favorite hot drink may be very tasty and aromatic, but your breath after it may not be so delicious. Caffeine can also dehydrate your body, resulting in decreased saliva production. Saliva is needed to help digest food particles that get stuck between the teeth and linger in the mouth. Therefore, if your mouth is dry, it may mean that these food particles are not washed away, causing dry mouth and bad breath. Coffee with sugar is a very bad idea because the dry mouth that comes from drinking caffeine makes it easier for the sugar to eat into your teeth. Stains on teeth. In addition, the expert warned that the favorite drinks of the fall can leave stains on the teeth. There are many microscopic holes and pits on the teeth. Microparticles of drinks linger in these bumps along with bacteria until you brush your teeth. This may cause staining. This is very bad news for your budget because stains on your teeth can only be removed with professional cleaning and whitening. How to protect your teeth from coffee and mulled wine. The expert also shared measures that could help protect teeth from warm, sugary drinks. Brush your teeth for 2 minutes twice a day with a soft bristled brush. Use mouthwash regularly. Use the floss twice a day. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially right after drinking a dark sugary drink. Follow a diet rich in vitamins. Be mindful of your sugar intake and try to limit the amount of sugary drinks you drink. Visit your dentist regularly for checkups and a hygienist for cleanings. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.